You can get about $2 to $3. I mean, that's the melt value of 35% silver nickels. So, glad you guys stopped by for me to find that. Our best find of the night so far. And let's go through the rest. I knew we would hit silver eventually. I tell you, like, out of every box I do, I at least average one silver or one older pre-1937 Buffalo nickel. So, my area is it's decent at times. This one looks like an oldie. Nope, 64. Remember, guys, it does help me out if you hit that like button. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys dropping by. Yeah, hitting the like button just helps me out. It tells the algorithm that people are watching. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. Yeah, remember, guys, 2024s, keep them. Worth about $5 on eBay right now. They are lower vintage. All right, so that was a good roll. We got silver finally. That's what we get next. Ooh, guys, look at this. Guys. We have an older buffalo. How the hell? And that's a 1930. It's a good date. Oh, guys, you saw that too. I pulled that right out of the wrapper. It looked old by the edge too. That's why I pulled it out. But there's no mint mark. A little rough looking, but it's still an older 1930 buffalo. Wow, this is a great box. So let's look this up really quick. Yeah, the roll right after the war nickel, we get a buffalo. How cool. All right, so we got the 1930 buffalo we just found. 1930. They made 22 million, average condition, low grade like this one, $1.25. So, yeah. So, for you guys just joining in, we just pulled a older 1930 buffalo. In the last roll before that, we got a silver wartime nickel. So this box is heating up. I have a feeling we're gonna find more. How freaking cool. And make sure you hit that like button, it helps me out. It tells YouTube that people are watching, invites more to come.